in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna put pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Gorgius.com. Today's unit goes by the name of My Own Muse Long Straight True Scalp Bang Wig. I reviewed a very similar unit like this from Gorgius, except that one was cut a little bit shorter in length. I'll make sure to pop up the thumbnail for that one right here and also put it up in the cards up above. This one, on the other hand, comes in 20 inches, so now we got options. The cap construction of this unit is your standard cap construction with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, the other 2 are at the front. It also comes with adjustable straps and a security band as well. With that security band, you can adjust it or remove it if you need to do so. Just like the other unit, this unit does come with a small rectangular space at the crown of the head to mimic scalp. The one difference I am noticing from this unit versus the unit that I spoke about earlier is the texture. The shorter unit is more of a yaki texture, while this unit is more of a silky texture. The circumference for this unit is 22.5 inches, which if I'm thinking correctly is their standard medium size cap, but I will say with this cap, it just seems a little bit more stretchier right off the bat. But let's find out if she's big kid friendly or not, maybe even create a few styles with her while installing her, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts about this unit.
Re-entry complete.
My problem, I don't go and only get it how I want it. I don't be a notice singer, I want you to be loved. And if it's just is that enough? Is it bad that I want more? Is it is it bring it back up. Too late for us, we don't scared of love. We so close, we come back. Is it bad that I want more?
So what are you guys' thoughts and opinions about this unit? Let me know down in the comments below. For me, I think the unit is really cute. I love how convenient it is because as you saw, she is basically a throw on and go. I grabbed this unit straight out of the box and then just threw her on. With straightening the unit, I want to say it took me maybe all of 3 minutes to get this unit together. I didn't have to cut the bang or anything like that, so she is definitely a convenient unit. Now on the website, they're calling the cut of this bang a Heim cut. I'm not really sure what that means, but I'm going to assume because it's not just your standard straight across bang cut, that's why they're calling it that, seeing as how it is like cut and like, I don't want to say sheared, feathered out, that's the word I'm looking for, feathered out, because it is cut and feathered out across, and then it also like drops down to about chin level, I want to say, but the rest of the unit is pretty much just straight down. I feel like that's why it's called that, but again, I don't know what the word Heim means. Regardless, I don't need the definition of it. I like the way that the bang is sitting on my face. Typically whenever I do have a bang, I like for it to cover my eyes a little bit. Now you're probably I cannot talk. Oh my goodness. You're probably looking at the screen thinking, Tan, get some of that hair out of your face. No, I actually like it. Like, I can still see and it's not uncomfortable. Does that make sense? As you saw, this unit is completely glueless, and that's what Gorgius is known for. They're known for their glueless units. So therefore, if you are someone who's like worried about their edges, or you're not necessarily comfortable with tacking down a unit, these are the units for you. As you can see, my hairline is unbothered by this unit, and I also don't really even utilize the combs. The only comb that I actually use is the one in the very back. I use that comb just so that I know that the wig is holding on to something, but for the most part, the wig is sitting secure on my head. Speaking of sitting secure on my head, earlier I spoke about how stretchy the cap was for this unit, and lo and behold, this unit is big head friendly. I've reviewed a ton of Gorgius units before, and I can't lie, it's very hit or miss whether the cap is going to be big head friendly or not, but this one I can say wholeheartedly, she's a go. If you're not able to tell, I do like the unit, but I do have one con. My only con is the texture of the unit. Now granted, the texture isn't bad, but it's more so on me. I had in my mind that this unit was going to be a yaki textured unit, so therefore I was like looking forward and excited to a yaki texture unit. So to find out that she's silky, I'm just kind of like a little bit bummed about that. Hopefully they come out with a very similar unit like this in a yaki texture, because yeah, I'm gonna need that one. So I guess it's not really a con, it's more so just making sure you're paying attention to what the description is saying of the unit. Next, let's go ahead and talk about the price of this unit. On Gorgius.com, she does retail for $184.90, basically $185. But you can use my code TAN25 and that will save you 25% off the entire site. If you choose to use that discount code, that bumps the price down to $138.75. And if you are not someone who's in the business of paying that all up front at one time, they do offer, I want to say it's Klarna and Afterpay. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have a direct link to this unit in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Don't forget to use my code TAN25 to save you 25% off the entire site. I don't have anything else to say though for now, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.